Presido Buhari traveled to Saudi Arabia Holy Land to thank Almighty Allah for the 8 years as Presido of Naija and to pray to Allah for peaceful handing over to the President-elect Senator Bola Tinubu on May 29, 2023.
Walhamdulillah wa shukru lillah wa huwa ala kulli shay'in qadir.
The Minister of Communications and Digital Economy, Issa Patami, wey talk to Tori people contact say Presido Buhari come Mecca contact Allah for the successful 8 years of service to in country and no better time pass this one to pray for the country sake of say Naija go enter another government and they need peace, unity and peaceful handing over of power to the new government.
This is significant for him, firstly, to finish very strong. Throughout the Umrah, President was busy praying for Nigeria, for development, prosperity, peace, stability, and many more. And he prayed for a very successful transition of his administration to the incoming administration.
Patami Constitute said this country not be only Buhari own. Say now everybody get the country and say as Presido they pray for the country, now so everybody supposed to they pray for the country.
This country doesn't belong to him. It belongs to all. He only happens to be the leader. So the way he prays for the success of the country is necessary for all citizens to pray for Nigeria, and secondly, to put our prayer in action by trying to ensure that there is peace in the country, there is stability, and there is also unity. Don't only say, but we have to put that in our action. And this is indeed very critical.
Senior Special Assistant on Media and Publicity, Garba Shehu Kontok say Presido Buhari don't do him best for the country and say na the best time for him to come out from office be this. Constitute say Presido Buhari don't make many sacrifices for the country, and if they not tell him thank you today, time they come when Naija people go tell him thank you.
He has done the best for the country, as he has always said, and the time for him to go is now. And so his prayer is of thankfulness to the Almighty for making it possible that he has attained that aspiration he has harbored for so long, fought so hard to achieve. And for the nation, President Muhammadu Buhari is prayerful, is also hopeful that God will help those who would succeed him, hold their hands and lead them so that they will build on the successes that he has recorded in the 8 years of his own administration. President Muhammadu Buhari had made enormous sacrifices. There are a lot of things that he had to put up with. He didn't have to. And so therefore, Nigerians, they need to say thank you to Mr. President. And I bet you, if they don't say it today, the day will come in the future that they will look back and say, oh, thank you, President Muhammadu Buhari. We now know that you did your best for Nigeria.
A. Carter, Ojay Sale, TMC TV News.